Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create the most flawless under eye application using only 3 products. I'm starting off with MAC's Prep and Prime Highlighting Pen. Yes, you can use it under your eyes. I'm using the color Bright Forecast. I'm using it to cancel out any sort of discoloration under my eyes. By using a product that has such a light consistency, it's not going to cause any caking under the eyes. You can see that it has a bit of a peachy tone. This is going to help with any darkness or any kind of purpley tones under the eyes. I'm using this fluffy brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to use this to press this under the eyes. So as you can see, my under eyes already look so much brighter. What I also like to do is take MAC's Fix Plus or any sort of hydrating water spray and just apply that right under the eyes. And it's going to give a lot more hydration and make sure that the product is really pressed into the skin. Next, I'm going in with my favorite concealer. This is by Too Faced. It's the Born This Way concealer. I'm taking the shade Golden Beige because I have a bit of a tan right now. And I'm not going to apply too much product, only in the areas where I need that extra coverage. So I'm just going to do it right here in the inner part of the eye and then in the outer corner of the eye. I'm taking the same brush I used earlier, and I'm just going to press that into the skin using the same technique that we used for the highlighting pen. So I finished applying my concealer. As you can see, my under eyes look really bright. My eyes look really lifted. There's a lot of coverage, but it's not super cakey. So to set the product so that there's no creasing, I'm going in with my favorite under eye powder. This is by Becca. It's specifically formulated for under the eyes. It gives a really nice hydrated look. It looks great in photographs, and it's going to set your under eyes and make sure it lasts all day. So I place some product on the lid. I'm taking a clean fluffy brush, tapping it into the product, and then getting rid of the excess because I don't like too much powder under the eyes, and you just want to tap it. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.